Facebook is the most used app worldwide. More than 3 billion people uses Facebook to connect with each other. And you guys must be having your profile on Facebook. And with that, stalkers came into play. And you guys must be wondering about your stalkers. Who are they? Who is stalking me? Is there any way to know about my stalkers? Yes, there is a way with you can know who is stalking you on Facebook. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to know about your stalkers. So open facebook.com in your PC and right click anywhere in the home page and click on inspect, or you can press Ctrl Shift I. Now you have to press Ctrl F to find here. This box will pop up and type buddy ID BUDDY_ID. Now this will come up. Now these are the people who is stalking you on Facebook. So what you can do here is just right click and click on edit as HTML. Here the first you will see the 15 number ID. Now this is the ID of your stalkers, and if you go further down, this is the name of your stalker. If you don't recognize them by name and if you wanna see their profiles, just copy this ID and open new tab and type facebook.com/ and paste that ID, hit enter, and now you will see the profile of your stalker. So all the people mentioned over here are continuously stalking your profile, or maybe open that and views your profile picture once in a lifetime. All those people will be recorded and showed over here. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then hit that like button and click the subscribe button to see this kind of content, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.